Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm in my kitchen, which means I'm doing a grocery haul. And if you're new, everything is gluten-free. If you guys are looking for inspiration for your gluten-free diet, I have so many videos for you. So I'm gonna link that playlist below so you guys can check it out. But for today's video, I'm doing a Thrive market haul. I've been a Thrive customer for years. This video is not sponsored, although it should be. So, you know, balls in your court, you know where to find me, Thrive, email me. I love shopping there because it makes it really easy with my diet. You can shop specific requirements and specific diets. You could do vegan, gluten-free, paleo, whatever. So it just makes it really easy to find products and things that I'm able to eat. But I felt even more special recently because they had a huge gluten-free sale, which is what prompted this video. I got so much good stuff, so many snacks, so many amazing products. Everything was like 30 to 40% off. I think I saved about $80, possibly more. So I was really happy about that, and I really stocked up on everything. So I'm excited to share with you guys. So subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you here, but let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm definitely wondering how I'm gonna fit all of this in my pantry, but I will worry about that later. The theme is definitely snacks. I got so many good things. So starting right here, I actually haven't tried these before. I've had some type of cheese cracker from this brand before, but I've never had these cauliflower stalks. So we'll see how those are. And then over here, I have Siete Ranch tortilla chips. These chips are so good. They're light and airy. The flavor is amazing. They're grain-free. This is just an overall great brand. And these came in a 2-pack, so I'm excited about those. And then over here, I have some Jovial gluten-free egg noodles. I'm really excited about these. I haven't had them before. I've had this brand, and I know it's a great one. It has great ingredients, and the texture is amazing. So these should be good, and these also came in a 2-pack. If you guys have had them before, let me know. And then I gave up soda for the new year. I've honestly never been a big soda drinker, but for some reason, I started drinking it more frequently at the end of last year, and I'm like, I need to just cold turkey it again, no more soda. So these are like the healthy probiotic soda, quote unquote. And I got 2 different packs. They came in packs of 3. They did just the classic flavors, like the root beer, classic cola, and then Doc Pop, which that one's my personal favorite. And then they had a fruity bundle that has orange, strawberry lemon, watermelon, and raspberry rose. They're all great, and I'm excited to have them throughout the week. And it's honestly a great deal on Thrive because they are typically kind of expensive and not something I would always purchase. But since they had the bundle deal plus a discount, it was great. Here we have basically a gluten-free Pringle, the Good Crisp Company. They are so good. I got aged white cheddar and sour cream and onion. I can't buy these often because I just will eat the whole container. Like if I know they're in my pantry, it's bad news, but they're really bomb, so you guys should try them if you haven't. And then back here I have chia seeds, 2 different types. This is just a normal whole black chia seed, and then this is the ground black chia seed. I like getting the ground for my smoothies because it just kind of dissolves and blends up. You don't taste it. I just put it in there for extra fiber. And then for the whole chia seed, I use that more for like granola bars, granola topping on maybe a smoothie bowl. So they have different purposes, and I love my chia seeds. Moving back this way, there's no rhyme or reason for the order I go in. I don't know. These are the Thin Stackers brown rice cakes. These are so good if you guys like rice cakes, or if you don't and you're trying to eat them because it's like an easy, low-calorie snack. These are great because they're thin, so they're not overly dry. They're great to have with avocado, like some mashed avocado and everything but the bagel seasoning. I have them with peanut butter and jelly. They're a really good snack and just kind of nice to have on hand. I add these to pretty much every one of my Thrive orders. I love them. And then over here, back down here, I have Simple Mills Farmhouse Cheddar Crackers. They're made with almond flour. And then these ones are the fine ground sea salt. These are both incredible. This is like a gluten-free Cheez-It. I miss Cheez-Its so much. I wish I could eat them, but these are a really good alternative. And then these are just really bomb, just sea salt crackers. They have a lot of flavor. They're good to have with cheese and dips, and good for a cheese board, but love both of these. Simple Mills is a great gluten-free brand. If you guys haven't checked any of their products out, I highly recommend. These are basically a healthy gluten-free corn nut. I used to love barbecue corn nuts when I was young. For some reason, every time I ate them, my mom said to be careful because I was gonna like crack one of my teeth. She put a fear in me. I don't know if anyone else's mom did that. But these are Love Corn smoked barbecue crunchy corn snacks. They are delicious, and I want to see if they have more flavors. I'm sure they do. I definitely should check them out because I love the barbecue flavor. This would be a good on-the-go snack too because they're so small you could just throw them in your bag. And you don't need a lot. They're pretty rich, but it still satisfies that crunchy, salty craving. They're really good. And then over here, they had a 3-pack of the Quinn pretzels. I think they make the best gluten-free pretzels out there, and this bundle was a great deal, so I just added it to the cart. I was getting, I think, both of these, and then I saw this 3-pack and I was like, sure, let's do it. So these are the Touch of Honey flavor in the pretzel sticks. This is a flavor I get most often because I love these to dip in hummus. This is just the sea salt. These are also sea salt, but these are the sticks and these are the twists. Thrive makes my all-time favorite dark chocolate covered almonds. This is like my go-to sweet treat if I'm craving something sweet during the week, but I don't want to have anything, you know, too heavy or with too much sugar. This always satisfies it, and I just think they're so good. I sometimes have them with afternoon coffee. They're just the best, and Thrive slays at these. I don't know what it is, but they're my favorite. I love picking up things from the Thrive brand because they have really great deals. And for example, these organic raw pine nuts were a great price. They had a sale on top of them. I think I got them for $12.99. If you guys buy pine nuts frequently, you know that they're so expensive. Like this bag, I think was originally $22, which is kind of a normal price at the grocery store, and I got them for $12.99. So that deal alone saved me a lot of money. I love to toast these and then put them on top of salads. You could also use them to make pesto. Kind of random, but I got these white kidney beans. I have a recipe I've been wanting to try that I saved on Instagram. It's like for these crunchy white beans with a feta dip. Sounds so good. I'm gonna make those soon and I'll share them on my Instagram. But I keep forgetting to buy them at the store, so I'm just gonna order them on Thrive, and I saved a little money too, so that's great. And then over here, I haven't had these before, nor have I ever seen them. These are the Tutti Gourmet gluten-free biscottis. The flavor is cocoa and almond. I'm excited to have these with my coffee this weekend. I'll let you guys know how they are. I think they also had an orange and chocolate flavor, but this is more my speed, so we'll see how they are. They're free from wheat, dairy, corn, and soy, so that's pretty good. And then back here I got a few flours because they were an amazing price. I hate that gluten-free flour is always so expensive. It's really hard because I use it really frequently, and it's just difficult to see because normal flour is so cheap and then gluten-free is so expensive, and it's for good reason, but if I can get a deal on it, I'm going to. So I got super fine almond flour as well as just the 1-to-1 baking flour. I use the 1-to-1 flour probably the most just because if a recipe that isn't gluten-free calls for flour, I easily make the substitution with the same measurement and it's just foolproof. So I got 2 of these macadamia milks. They are made from macadamia nuts, and this is their barista blend. I have never had macadamia nut milk before, so I'm excited to try it out. I kind of want to start, you know, trying different plant-based milk. I've always done almond, but I kind of want to see what else is out there and see what I like. So I'm going to try that out and we'll see how it tastes. I'm going to put it in my smoothies, maybe we'll put it in my coffee. But I like that it's the barista blend. Those are usually really good. I actually do have maybe 2 or 3 more things arriving that I am going to share with you guys. I'm just going to film it in a few days when they do get here. I didn't want to wait to film this video, so hopefully those things arrive and I'll be able to share them with you guys. But yeah, that's everything for right now. Okay, it's a few days later. These are the 2 random products that ship separately. I have the Char pizza crust. If you guys haven't had this before, it's delicious. And then these cookies, I was really excited when these arrived because they're so bomb, you guys, if you haven't had them. If you like a crunchy cookie, I don't know how to explain. They kind of remind me of the pecan sandy cookies that I used to eat when I was growing up. I'll put a picture on the screen. Just as far as texture goes, this is a great cookie to dunk in milk. Oh my gosh, they're delicious. So this is the birthday cake flavor. They make different styles. They have a soft cookie as well, but like I said, I prefer the crunchy version. So try them out if you guys haven't. I've seen them at Trader Joe's, not sure if they're at all locations, but great brand, and they're top 9 allergen free, so also vegan, cool. So great for a lot of different diets. So yeah, those are the 2 random things that arrived late. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.